Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon valve spring compressor. First, let's prioritize safety. Before you begin, gather all your tools, including the compressor, a socket set, and a magnet. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself. Make sure your engine is completely cool and position the cylinder at top dead center. This crucial step prevents the valve from accidentally dropping into the cylinder, ensuring a smooth and safe operation. Now, let's set up your valve spring compressor. Begin by selecting the correct size collet that perfectly fits your valve spring retainer. This is a critical step for proper operation. Securely attach this collet to the lower jaw of your compressor. Carefully position the entire compressor assembly over the valve spring and its retainer. Double-check that the compressor's jaws are parallel and have a firm, even grip on the retainer, ready for compression. With the compressor securely in place, it's time to compress the spring. Slowly and steadily turn the compressor's handle. You'll see the valve spring begin to compress. Continue turning until the small valve keepers are fully exposed and easily accessible. Once visible, use a magnet or a small pick to carefully remove these tiny keepers. After they are out, gently and slowly release the compressor, allowing the spring and retainer to be safely removed from the valve stem. Finally, let's install the new components. Place your new valve spring and retainer onto the valve stem. Compress the spring once more, just enough to allow for the reinstallation of the valve keepers. Carefully position the keepers back into their small grooves on the valve stem. Slowly release the compressor, making sure the keepers are perfectly seated and secure. Always perform a final visual check to confirm all components are properly installed and firmly in place before moving on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.